You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. What's up, everybody? Ryan back at you. Alright, today we're going to start taking the engine out. Probably not going to get all the way through with it, but I like to take my time, I like to do things right. I don't have to go back, redo them, all that bullshit. So I'll show you where we're at first, and then we'll just get started. So I got the interior out. Seats out. All the plastics out. Yeah, I'll pop the trunk. You see we got all this stuff in the trunk out. Got the trunk out. Got the taillights sitting here. Got them smoked out taillights. To run from the po-po, son. Just kidding, I don't do that. Obey the law, everybody. I got speakers out, dashboard. Basically anything that was black is taken out to go in the other car. Probably while we're in here, the first thing we're probably going to do is disconnect the shifter and everything from the transmission. So that way I'm completely done inside. Alright. So, I got all the wiring ripped out. Alright, goddamn battery died. So much for being responsible. Alright, back where we were at. So I got most of the wiring ripped out for the gauges inside. You can see I'm tagging everything, so that way I know what everything is for. If it would focus, you don't need to see the wire, but you see the tag. I got the air fuel here, boost controller. What else we got? Some of the wires I completely ripped out. Like the oil pressure, I have completely out. You can see another one here. What we got here? We got oil temp. So I like to take my time and do things right. I'm labeling everything, so this isn't going to be a quick process. I'm not in a rush. You know, I'm not like on a race car team. I have deadlines and any kind of crazy crap. This is just personal hobby. Just want a nice car. That's it. But I want to take my time and do it right. As you can see, I even other things label a lot of crap because I've ran into problems in the past where I don't know what goes to what or whatever the case is. You see, label this plug. This tape is before I had these nice little zip tie labels. You can see. I'll put a link in the description for these. They're pretty cool. I like them. Like them a lot. See? Ball valve. There's that little guy right there. Yeah. Get in the hole. Alright. So that's where we're at. Got most of the front end apart. As you can see, obviously. So we'll get started. Alright. Something ain't right. Oh, it's bent or something. Fucking wobbling. This ain't good. Something happened. Focus camera. Get your together. Oh, you can see it's bent. I gave it a good shot. Not great with this camera crap. Better with cars. But bent to hell. Maybe that happened in the accident. I don't know. I hope nothing else is messed up. Alright, so I decided to take off the shifter because I figure once I pull the engine and trans out, I don't want it banging into something and causing any damage or getting screwed up somehow. So here we go, taking out the shifter. Forgot I got it connected underneath. Disconnected. Connected. Hell out of here. Disconnected underneath. So I'll do that a little later when I'm already under under there. Sorry. That's something in my throat. Alright. Done with that. Next step. Take the front end apart. And we're not going to do anything irresponsible like releasing the refrigerant from the AC system into the atmosphere. That's not going to happen. Alright, wrapping up for the night because I'm going out to dinner. Hopefully we get a good meal. I don't know where I'm going yet, you know. Kind of like, feel like a lot of girls. They never know where they want to go. Always a problem. Always a problem. You can mention 5,000 places, but no, not in the mood. Oh, where you want to go? Oh, let's go anywhere. Yeah, you pick. You pick. Yeah, I pick. Get the hell. I pick my ass. You know, sometimes I do pick my ass. Sometimes it needs picking. Sometimes, you know, the boxers get wedged right up in there. Right up, and you just pull it out. Like a freaking really bad Band-Aid. Alright, back to the car. She got a little excited and decided to squirt everywhere. She's a squirter. Look at that. Skeet, 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 skeet. From the window to the wall. Or in this case, the floor. That was the power steering cooler. Power steering fluid cooler. That these things, hoses right here, get off. Really tough. I think last time I might have pulled the whole thing off out of the car to get it out because it's normally routed right through this hole here. The hoses come right through here, so I had to pull them out to get that out. I think the last time I pulled the hoses, deep down, you can't really see. I can't even really see right now, but the hoses run deep down there. I think I pulled it off there, off the power steering pump and the fluid reservoir. Alright, so I didn't get enough done today because of holdups, not to do with the car, just personal crap that you probably don't want to hear about, and if you heard about it, you will want me to pay you. So, tomorrow, I'll get the, I'll just start picking away at it. Just take the intercooler pipes off the turbo, take those off, get that out of the way. That's going to be a bitch. That was a bitch. As you can see, there's absolutely zero room. Anybody that knows anything about these cars is that everything is just freaking so goddamn tight. Freaking need a can of Vaseline just to work on the freaking car. And you still come out bloody. Sometimes that happens. Vaseline doesn't always keep the blood away. Alright, so I'll just start picking away at it tomorrow. And should be getting it close to getting the engine out. And then once I get the engine out, I am still waiting on I ordered another knuckle because this one's busted from the let's see, I don't know if I can see it or not. That busted off. Need a better light here. As you can see, it busted off here. That's for the tie rod end. So I'm still waiting on that. I actually ordered one, and it was the wrong one. Wasn't even close. You know, off eBay. You know, eBay, right? Am I right, people? Am I right? So I'm gonna straighten that out and see what they're gonna do with that. You know, get my money back or send me the right one. Something, I don't know. So I can't wheel it out until I take care. I can, but it's a lot more of a pain in the ass. You can't steer and all that. So I'm gonna try to wait for that unless it takes too long. Because after the engine's out, you know, organize everything like that, then take this car out of here and pull in the other car and start taking that apart. I'm also figuring out where to get my front bumper, the Nismo front bumper. A lot of people said they got off eBay. I used ones for like a couple $100. I can't find it to save my life. Maybe they're just not out there anymore and they got them years ago. Who knows? So might have to order it brand new from the dealer, which is over $1,000. But you know what? That's the look I'm going for. You know, nice, clean, proper. What's proper? I don't know. Anyway, so probably next week I'll order the rest of the body kit, the rear bumper, side skirts, the hood, and the spoiler in the back. Which, you know, I was thinking maybe I should put some pictures and, you know, on this video for you guys to see. But I kind of want to do an unboxing video and kind of, you know, set up dry on the car to give you kind of more of, you know, the look I'm going for. More of a impact, so to speak. So yeah, that's where we're at here. That's where we're at. That's the old girl. All right, enough of my rambling and nonsense. I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see you guys when I see you. Which I hope you watch the next video, so that way, you know, you can see me and I can see you. I mean, I don't see you. You know, that's kind of creepy. You know, that's some spy hacking type. And you know, I'm not that good with computers. Just, you know, to be honest with you. So that's not happening. But hope you check out the next video, and so that way you can see my handsome face here. You know, so you can see me again. All right, subscribe, like, all that good nonsense, because, you know, I want to make a few dollars so I can buy parts to turn this into a drift car after I'm done with all this. That'd be kind of cool. And I'll make videos about that. So keep it going. All right, people. Peace out, yo. I realized after I did that last outro, I don't like it. It's pretty corny. So I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do for the goodbye outro, whatever the hell it's called, whatever you kids are calling it nowadays. So I'm gonna try this one. All right, done for the night. Roll out. I don't like that. That was, what the is this? I look like I'm crippled or something. Like I got really, really bad arthritis. Like I'm freaking 92 years old, and I work manual labor my whole life. You know, I was a bricklayer named Forrest. He worked down in them hills. You know, he built all those houses down there. All right. All right. Roll out.